Welcome back, everyone. It's been a while. I've been out on a project cleaning drains that I normally do in the summertime while it's warm, but I'm back. I wasn't allowed to film where I was because of like security reasons and all of that. They don't allow us to film. Anyway, that's all done and I'm back. So got a drain to clean here today. I'll walk you all through it. Just got the machine filling up in that at the moment, and yeah, let's go have a look. So machine's filling up. Still the same machine. One or two things have changed here. Managed to clear the van out quite a lot. There was an extension ladder here before, but yeah, it's all nice and neat inside there. And yeah, so it seems like this gutter runs along. You can see it's full of all sorts. Got some trees and that growing in it, and all the sand and waste and that just runs along down the downpipe, and this seam's blocked, so we're gonna jet it. Might be a quick one, might take a while, might not get it cleared all. So once the machine's full, we'll figure it out. It's actually quite tight here as well, so I don't have much jetting space to pull out hoses and that kind of thing, but we'll figure it out. I've just jumped up on the ladder to have a look and see what's happening in here, but look at this. Completely full. So I'll speak to the customer. They'll have to move some cars. They'll have to look at getting all this cleaned. They might want to do it themselves, but that's their problem really. So I've just put a standard jetting nozzle on the hose, and we'll just use that for now. See how it goes. But I think this does 99.9% of my work, so we should be good. I'm going to fire up, wait for the globe light to go off, and she'll start. Okay, lights off. Got the hose running back to there. Just let the machine warm up a bit. Just on low power at the moment. See how it goes. We'll crank it up. Making a mess already. Oh, that looks interesting. Actually stinks. It's just a stormwater line, so not sure what they've been putting down here, but you can see it's actually quite thick. Make it a bit dramatic. Let's give it a bit more power. Yeah, it really stinks bad. No idea why. Just putting the hose in a bit more. I like to let the hose sit back a bit, and it creates a vacuum because the jets actually face back towards us, so it pulls out a lot of the waste rather than just clearing it and letting it all go down the line. I like to pull out as much as possible, because I'm not sure if you can see, but this is actually quite thick at the moment. so bad. up a bit more. Jets face back towards us, so this water might be held back just by the pressure from the water jet. We'll see. Not sure what that is. That's fine. Clean it up. This is just because I got the water jets on full power. And like I said earlier, the nozzle, the jets actually face back towards us. So I think there's 5 that face back towards us and 1 forward facing jet. So majority of it comes back. Uses the rear facing holes to propel the hose forward through the line. I'll show you when I pull it out, or I'll just show you on another nozzle. It's difficult to pull the hose out. When I say difficult, I mean not extremely difficult, but it's slightly got some resistance on it because, like I say, the jets face back. So I'm just going to let the tank fill up a bit more and then we'll continue to flush the line. So all the water that overflowed from where I was jetting, which is up there, is overflowing into this drain here, which is cool. This is just a stormwater drain. Need a little bit of maintenance on the site. I'll let them know and they'll probably get us in or something to just clear out all the gutters. Like I say, they might just do it themselves. They are a massive property group and they do have a lot of their own guys to keep costs down. But yeah, this smells bad. Not sure why, because it's not sewage, but there's a mechanics workshop over here, so you never know what they throw down the drains, and it just sits there for years probably. It starts to smell. So this is all, you can see the sand and stuff in it. Just want to show you guys the holes on the nozzle. So we've got 1, 2, 3 rear facing jets and then 1 forward facing jet, so that propels through the line like that. This one actually I gave one of my friends, one of the other ones, and he machined this one up for me just as an experiment. But yeah, it came out perfect really. So the tank's pretty full now, basically at the top. It's taken about 10 minutes. You can see the water line over there. So it was down there at the bottom. Obviously it's at the top now, it's filled up. And I'm going to fire it back up again. We'll use whatever's left there just to flush the line. It will continue to fill up while we jet, but the machine will use it a lot faster than what the tap will fill it up. I'm going to fire it up again. Oh, before I do fire it up, I need to do that YouTuber thing, you know, when they tell everyone to subscribe and stuff. So I think it's time you guys subscribe if you like the video. If you didn't like it, just subscribe anyway, because you might like the next one. Okay, let's go. The line is clear, we're just flushing it now. Machine's on about 80% power. PSI, which is 200 bar. Got a flow rate of about 55 liters a minute. The tank is continuously being filled up just by a normal garden tap, but like I say, the machine uses the water faster than the garden tap can fill it up. So we're using quite a bit of power now, so the water will be going down quickly. We'll go see how quickly it goes down. The onboard tank is about between 450 to 500 liters of water on board. I don't drive with it full, obviously, because pointless driving around with the added weight for no reason. It's not very safe, I think. Although the van can handle the weight, there's just no reason for me to travel with a full tank. If I have to and there's no water on site, I will travel with a full tank. I just avoid it as much as possible. That flush, see how the tank's doing. Still got quite a bit of water. I will also hose this all down just so it doesn't smell. This is a commercial site, so they do have quite decent water pressure, and the pipes are quite big as well, so a bit of a mess here. Pipes are quite big, stuff like that, so yeah. I'll try to do a video of all the equipment that I have over the weekend and explain a lot of this stuff. There's a few functions on the machine that are probably worth explaining, like if the hose gets stuck, you can get it out with a setting on the machine, and just go through all my tools and show you guys everything that I've got. I've got quite a lot of stuff. In the future, I'd like to buy a vacuum tanker just to vacuum drains and suck out septic tanks and cesspits and stuff like that. But we'll see how nice YouTube is to me, and maybe we'll get a bit more stuff. Pumping a hell of a lot of water through this line at the moment. It is clear in that it's not actually blocked, the water jet's holding this all back. There you go. Put the hose further down the line now, so eventually it gets to a point where it can't hold it all back. It'll then build up again until the water becomes too heavy and it'll flush past the nozzle. Just check the water again. Put that tap off now. Should be enough for me to just hose this all down. I don't actually use the hose pipe, I just take the nozzle off the water jet and I use that. So I'm going to pull the hose out, wind it up and hose this all down. So I've just pulled the nozzle off. Want to hose this all down. Just because it smells. So there's the drain, all nice and clear. Makes quite a decent hose pipe. Anyway, it's been great. Thanks for watching. And like I said, I'll try and make a video of all the equipment over the weekend. And catch you on the next one.